Just like Dr. Amison Wilson said, he said for us to be in a position we are, we must be completely turned around and completely backwards. That's why we think, peace God, that's why we think for us to get wealthy, we have to go through them. When it has always been the opposite, and they've known that for them to get wealthy, they have always had to go through us. So, for us to get wealthy, what do we need to do? We need to employ our own systems. But what I was talking about was populating, genetics, cleaning ourselves up biochemically and populating, okay? There are some reports that state that there is 1.8 million more black women in the United States than there are black men. That's a problem in itself. Some reports state that only 1 in 5, some state that only 1 in 12 black women will actually marry a black man. These are problems.
Yes.
These are issues that we're facing, okay? So when our great ancestors and our great teachers and our great leaders taught us about polygyny, which is the form of polygamy in which a man takes on more than one wife, they was not talking some foolishness. They was not talking some playboy stuff. When Honorable Elijah Muhammad was talking about producing his seed, or reproducing his seed through younger women when he was in his 70s, he said the old man must have lost it. He's crazy, all these young women. Yet, it was actually his seeds that helped Farrakhan. Thank you, God. Appreciate it. It was actually his seeds that he had in those later years that actually helped Farrakhan build his version of the Nation of Islam. It was actually his seeds that went on to do some other great things. I won't expose, some of the great things that they've done. You have to do your research. The point I'm trying to make is we have to populate. And if we understand that we have 1.8 million more, as some statistics state, black women than there are black men, then nature itself is telling us that we must apply what our ancestors have always applied, what the righteous have always applied in the form of polygyny. You understand? And I ain't talking, I've done a class here, so I ain't talking about, again, no side. We ain't dealing with the side piece. We're not dealing with no games. We're talking about cleaning ourselves up, being responsible and building families. Building responsible, clean families to produce a genetic line that's powerful enough to take back control of our planet Earth.
If Mega did this.